Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are excited to share another delicious Hyderabadi recipe with you. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Let's make Bhagara Macchi, also called Saaree Macchi. Let's start by marinating the fish. We use tilapia for this recipe today. Marinate by adding 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, haldi, salt, lemon juice and some oil. Mix everything well and let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now heat some oil in a pan and shallow fry the marinated fish. Once done, remove the fish onto a plate and keep it aside. Then heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add Zeera and let it splutter. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped onions to it. Adding salt to the onions at this time helps cook them faster. Cook till the onions are golden brown. Then add in the ginger garlic paste, haldi and chili powder. Saute for a couple minutes. To this, now add the Bhagara Masala. The recipe for the masala can be found in the description below. Mix well and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup of tamarind pulp and a cup of water. For additional tanginess, another half a cup of tamarind pulp can be added. Mix everything and let it come to a boil. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Once the oil starts separating, add the fried fish pieces. Gently mix and let it simmer for a few minutes. Top it off with a tadka of Zeera and dry red chilies. There it is, your yummy Bhagara Macchi is ready. Do try this recipe and like, share and subscribe for more such delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.